Once upon a sunny day in Aqua Valley, where Super Ryan and his friends lived, something strange was happening. When the people turned on their taps to get some water, not a single drop trickled out. It was like the water had turned into a mischievous cloud and disappeared without a whisper. Super Ryan gathered his friends in the town square where puzzled faces filled the crowd. This is a real head-scratcher, said Super Ryan, tapping his chin. We need to figure out what's going on. With their capes fluttering in the breeze, Super Ryan and the gang set off on a mission to uncover the mystery of the missing water. They walked through twisty streets, peeked into dark alleyways, and listened for clues with their super-sensitive ears. Their first stop was the water treatment plant, a place filled with pipes and valves that twisted and turned like a giant puzzle. "Whoa! This is like a water wonderland!" exclaimed Lily, holding onto her hat. Super Ryan nodded, his eyes twinkling with determination. "Let's crack this case wide open!" With a flick of his wrist and a twist of his fingers, Super Ryan guided his friends through the maze of pipes, dodging water droplets and spider webs along the way. Finally, they reached the heart of the plant, where they found a leaky faucet spouting water like a playful fountain. "We've caught you, sneaky faucet," laughed Super Ryan, pointing at the dripping culprit. "But how do we plug this leak?" With a burst of brain power and a dash of creativity, Super Ryan and his pals fixed the leaky faucet using a magical spell and a sprinkle of fairy dust. Just kidding, but that would be fun, wouldn't it? As they worked, Super Ryan explained to his friends why it's important to save water and not let it flow away like a river in a hurry. "We must treat water like a treasure," said Super Ryan, giving his friends a thumbs up, "because every drop is precious." With the leaky faucet fixed, the water started flowing again, filling buckets and barrels and watering the thirsty flowers. The birds chirped with joy, and the sun smiled down on Aqua Valley once more. And so, Super Ryan and his friends learned that even the smallest actions could make a big splash when it came to protecting our watery world. With a cheer and a high five, they knew they'd made a difference, one drop at a time. The end, with a splash of happiness for everyone,